This is Cuisinck 4-pack super clamp with 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch camera threads. I like to use these clamps and adapters on mic stands. It gives me all kinds of options for filming and recording. These are great for mounting things on tripods. I like to use mic stands just because it takes up a lot less room on the diameter and they're pretty sturdy. You've got the 1/4 inch and 3/8 adapter there, or right there, and anything that mounts to your camera tripod you can mount on this, and this will attach to any kind of object, and they're real secure. So if I wanted to attach a camera or a light, they're great for lights. And you would just use the proper end. Say I wanted to attach my Zoom, just find the proper adapter here, right there, and right there. And now I have audio anywhere that I need to use it. It's very secure. And that's how that would work. And you can mount anything that has a tripod connector. Anything with a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter screw you can use with these clamps, and they're very sturdy. Let's see here. And then they mount onto whatever you want to mount them to.